3 steps to flawless looking makeup. The first most important thing, skincare, skin prep. So what you do to your skin before you apply the makeup on the skin is very important. So make sure to do your skincare or skin prep. Well, skin prep, what is under skin prep? Skincare. So make sure to do your skin care just before you do your makeup, so your skin is moisturized, and that gives a base, like the best base for flawless makeup application. Secondly, make sure that you are using good products and products that match your skin. So you want to make sure that you're using products that will complement your skin tone, that will match your skin tone and your undertone perfectly, down to the concealer. Because if you use a concealer that does not match your undertone, you're going to look ashy, or like it just doesn't work. So make sure you're using a foundation that is matching your skin, a concealer that is matching your undertone at least, and that is not too light. And yeah, everything you use, make sure, especially foundation, make sure it's matching your skin tone. The third thing is placement and technique. Exactly where do you place what? Where do you place your contour? Where do you place your blush? Where do you place your concealer? That is going to make or break your makeup look. Placement and technique. Blending is key. Blend till your hands break. How do you blend? Where do you place what? Where do you place your eyeshadow? How do you do your eyeshadow? Like, the technique is very important. When you get that straight, your makeup is going to look flawless. The other thing I would say is blending. Blending, I mentioned it before, but this is a point on its own. So go, like, be buildable. Do buildable steps. So instead of packing on all of the foundation at once, you can do a little bit, see if you like it, a little bit, see if you like it, and you keep going till you find your perfect result. Because if you put everything at once, it's a bit difficult to edit that, to fix it. So most of the time, even when it comes to powders and concealer, you have to be buildable. So you put a little bit, you blend, see what it gives, and if you need more, you put more. Last tip is less is more. So yes, when I say less is more, I'm not saying you should do minimal makeup. You can do a full-on beat, like 10,000 layers of makeup, and it will still look better if you do less. When I say if you do less, is you put your blush, for example, and you're not seeing as you don't think it's enough, so you put a little bit more. But you can be buildable to a particular level. Do not exaggerate. When you're drawing that eyebrow with your eyebrow pencil or whatever it is you use, do not exaggerate, okay? If you make it too dark, you're going to look like a clown. If you make your blush too bright, you're going to look like a clown, okay? So I hope this tip is going to help you get the flawless makeup look that you want. And if you want more tips, let me know in the comment sections. If you want a private session where I teach you how to do your own makeup for your face, your placement, for you to look flawless every day, contact me through the DMs. So I'll see you guys. Bye.